Hi, my name is Corey and welcome to my mess. In this video we're going to design and replace this little utility pocket in my backhoe that's obviously seen better days with something 3D printed. So there's a better look of the old one. It's pretty crispy, pretty thin, not much left. And the bummer of that is you never could put a cup in there. You know, if you set something in there, it would kind of stay and then it would fall over, and it was never a very practical pocket. There's plenty of depth down there to put a cup holder in, so that's what I did. And then I designed this, and obviously it has supports on it. And there it is. And these are our tree style supports, and this is printed out of PETG space gray 0.6 nozzle with a standard layer height. It really is neat how they print these things, but that's all done. Moment of truth, will it fit? Oh, no. Unbelievable. So it looks like I have to square those corners up a little bit. So it fits in sideways, and it would fit either way. It's just those rounded corners. We'll grab a file and take care of that right now. This plastic certainly, or whatever this is, plastic-like material, certainly gums up the file, whether you pull it backwards or not. I wonder if I'd had a better luck with a knife. Alright, so we're pretty close. We'll just give it a little scratch here where it needs to be. It's easier to cut with the serrated part of a knife. Oh yeah, much better. And this is a very dull knife. Okay. Clean that up with the file. About now. Success. That is kicked out a little bit, kind of in an odd angle. I think if I relieve this side, it'll allow that guy to lay down a little bit. Alright, should fit a little better. Still pushing out a little bit. So I need to take it out of that back corner. So when I designed this, I just simply scanned this onto a piece of paper, the outer profile, and then converted it to a DXF, imported it into SketchUp, and then from there I just took this outer diameter and I gave it an offset. So I didn't take into account these rounded edges. A little mishap on my part, but that's how you learn. With a 0.6 nozzle, this was just over 35 hours to print. I guarantee I couldn't have made something out of anything else any faster. So, no complaints. That's much better the way that fits in there now. Place for my phone. Oh, you know what? There were supports inside for whatever reason when it sliced. There we go. Dug out the supports. I put drain holes in there because I know that this cup is going to spill. And I can also throw my phone on there if I'm brave. More than likely it'll be in that pocket so it doesn't get wet. And then I have a spot for my pea shooter and tape. And it makes more sense for them to be there. More than likely I'm going to be reaching for these from outside the machine. Alright, well there you go. I'll put these files on Thingiverse. I realize it's probably a pretty slim margin of people that have a 3D printer and a cat backhoe that want a cup holder with a little tool compartment, but there it is. Love to hear your comments on this, and like, share, and subscribe. Thanks everybody. Have a great day. Bye now.